In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more dice in Monopoly Go. So there are a few different ways on how you can get more dice in Monopoly Go. So the first one is basically logging in and the daily treats options. So every time you actually log in to Monopoly Go, especially every day, what happens is you get daily treats like this. So you just have to collect treats by pressing the collect button and you can get dice in here. So moving on to the second way is to actually get dice through the quick wins features. So if you click this option in the bottom left corner, you can see here if I roll 5 times, we are going to get a prize. So as you can see here, the prize is dice. So what you're going to do is just roll the dice 5 times and then we're going to get the prize. Just go back in here in quick wins and then claim your prize. Sometimes you can get a cash or sometimes an additional dice as well. So just do these quick wins to claim more dice in Monopoly Go. Now, the third way is to actually come into the store or shop. So just tap on the 3 horizontal lines to expand the menu and then select shop. So sometimes you're going to see an option for a daily box which will normally be at the top. So you can see here it says free and this is available every day or every 8 hours. So just go ahead and come back after 8 hours and then claim your prize. And the fourth way is to complete the available tournaments. So tournaments button is located here in the second below the menu. So you can see here the current tournament. So we need to get 5 of these to open this up. And of course, if you have a place in the tournament, you can claim prizes like free dice as well. The fifth way is by completing the main event. So you can see at the moment, if you complete this milestone, then you can get a reward. So just complete this task. And last but not the least, the sixth way is to complete your album. So just click on the album button. And then you can claim more dice here. For example, if you complete this album, you get a 15,000 dice and many more. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.